Does this look? Bearish or bullish? Bearish. There you go. Someone fucking said it finally. Okay, now the 1 hour. What does this look? Oh, this looks bullish. It looks like, you know what I mean? We're going to go up. Fuck the 1 hour, because if the 4 hour looks bearish and is sweeping out highs and making moves down, then it looks good. Also, what are we coming up to? A bearish order block. So you see our bearish order block up here. You see that we're coming up to a big rejection level. You see that the 4 hour is bearish. So this potentially could be bearish. So let's go to the 5 minute before market opens. We're going to play this and we're going to see how we could have taken a trade. You know we're bearish. Okay, market opens. You know we don't trade until 10. Okay, we're coming up, tapping this. Let's see if we can break structure. Boom, we broke structure to the downside. Now, how did we break structure? And look, it's already almost 10, 9:40, 9:45, whatever. How do we break structure? Breaking this swing low right here. So we made a low, a high, a low, boom, lower low. Candle closure below this low. So if we're looking at the 1 hour, we came up, tapped that order block. If we look at the 4 hour, came up, tapped this order block. Also a fucking bearish fair value gap. I need to stop cursing, dog. That shit is annoying, actually. I gotta stop with that shit. But do you see this bearish fair value gap? We come up to a bearish fair value gap. We're coming into an order block right here. We're coming into another fair value gap. So remember, you know that we could potentially react to the downside right here. All right, we're waiting. We come up. We take out, do we take out these highs? 100%. Look, we take out highs. Boom, impulse move. Break of structure to the downside. Okay, now what are we doing? We're waiting for maybe a 5 minute confluence or even like a 3 or 1 minute. So we could wait for a 1 minute retracement around the 10 o'clock area or even before. So what is it? It's 10 o'clock, literally right here. So we have a fair value gap. Actually, let's go to the 5 minute. Let's see. Let's see what this does. We have a 5 minute fair value gap right here. We have a 5 minute fair value gap. Also, an order block up here. So let's see if price either just fucking, I'm pretty sure it just tanks down. Fucking boom. There's your bias. There's your trade. Bang. 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 Fat ass BBCs to the downside. Straight up. Why? Because we saw the break of structure. We saw this low get broken below. We saw the 4 hour time frame get into a fair value gap, which was over here, if you remember. Remember, this was the 4 hour. We predicted this because, let's see, all of these confluence. For 1, we're bearish. For 2, we're creating resistance. For 3, we're coming up, sweeping highs out. Another fair value gap. Okay, let's delete all this. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour look like? Okay, we came up pre-market, but also what are we coming into? Bearish order block. Bearish order block. Also, is this a... We didn't respect that fair value gap. Bro, these alarms, bro, suck my dick. Another 15-minute order block. Okay, man, we can reject right here. How do we know that we're going to reject? From what? Can someone say it in the comments? How do we know that we're going to reject? And how do you know that we are going to have a confirmation to go to the downside? Who knows? Yes, Isaiah, good job. A break of structure. And where do we break structure? We're always looking at the BOSs on the fucking 5 minute. Boom. Breaky structure right there. Now look, you wouldn't have caught this move because you were so worried about the 5 minute time frame. Now, yes, if I do get a 5 minute confluence, that is way more probable. But personally, you wouldn't have been able to take this trade, dude, because there was no pullback. And sometimes there will be no pullback. So what we're going to also look for with this is an inverse fair value gap. And I've been getting into them. I've been back testing them a lot. And they've been helping me out a fucking ton. Look at this fair value gap. So we have this bullish fair value gap right here. You see how we closed right under it? Once we disrespect this, most of the time, since we're already close to the highs, I think I'm going to enter strictly on that. Stop loss up here. Boom, we could have caught that whole entire trade. Beautiful. You see the price action when SPY is actually in a trend and it's not just chopping sideways? Do you see how literally, 10 o'clock happens, retracement, bam. Guys, wait until we have a fucking downside move. Wait until the bears start to step in once the election comes in, or wait until it keeps fucking, you know what I mean, continuing to go up. Because if we're not chopping, we're going to get these setups every day. And that setup on the video that we took is just going to be so fucking easy. Oh my god, that replay mode just went away from me switching. That is so gay. Come on, dog. Yeah, inverse is a great confluence, and we're going to go over those. So, like a 5-minute. Look at this, bro. You close under, and remember, a bullish fair value gap is meant for what? To get respected. So usually when you see, like let's say this bullish fair value gap, if you guys know what I'm talking about, this imbalance in between this candle, usually what you want to see is, oh, we made a high, we broke structure. Y'all motherfuckers probably thought we broke structure to the upside and we're going to continue up. But you didn't look at the higher time frames. So you see it come up, you see us come down. Usually we want to see this and then an upside move. But what did we see? We saw our 5-minute order block get tapped into. You see the 4-hour time frames, the 1-hour time frames. And then you see the closure below the bearish fair value gap or the bullish fair value gap. Why is that a bullish fair value gap? Isn't it 3 candles? 1, 2, 3. Fuck, bro. I hate this dog shit ass trading platform, dog. This shit's ass and titties. About to go back. Hold up. Pretty sure it was this day. Holy fuck, bro. I'm finger blasting my mouse right now. Is this even the day? I don't even think this is the right day, dog. Fuck! I fucked up. Where the fuck is it at? I don't even know. Oh, it was right here. It was right here. Yeah, I'm done with this shit. This shit's ass. What the fuck? This shit's just putting me anywhere now. But to answer your question, bro, I was trying to help you out, dog. 3 candles. Yes, it's 3 candles. If it's bullish, it's an uptrend. So like 3 candle formation. Here's a fair value gap right here. You have 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle. It is the imbalance where no wicks have created orders to get filled. So there's no wicks like that. So since you see this imbalance in here with no wicks, there's orders that were left behind that want to get filled. Price comes back in, fills those orders right there. Boom, uptrend. That is a fair value gap. It's an inefficiency where orders are still left behind in the market. What tool is that? What tool is what? The box? Yes, AJ. Yes, sir, Dolo. Anytime, dog. Anytime. So you guys understand that, right? Get it. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. All right. So let's give an example again on, I'm going to go back and do the replay mode again, and we're going to go over trades. Like, that's all we're going to do today is like, look at this fucking price action on SPY. Wait, what was it? Wait, oh, I'm still in replay mode. That's why. Let me get out of this. Like, look at the price action on the daily. The daily's even ass. Look at the 4-hour. Is this a trend? Like, bro, dog, what is this? Look at these days. How are you going to predict these days? You have to understand, like, even if I'm losing trades, guys, I don't even lose trades as much as I have been. And have I even been losing a lot of trades? I don't think so. Right? I don't think so. I've been actually winning a decent amount, but it's been hard. It's been hard for me. I've been, like, tell me, you guys see it? I'll have to re-enter sometimes because my entries are wrong. Yeah, like, really, AJ, right? Look at this. Look at these days. Oh, finally a good day. There we go, because we rejected off of that. I saw that day. Finally a good day. Easy. I bet you in this day I can find a easy fucking trade. Right here. When was this? Tuesday? Let's see. All right, were we bullish starting off? Yup. We closed above this gap right there. Boom. All right, we're bullish. 1 hour's bullet. Oh my god, this tool, man. Okay, let's see. You know what I mean? Price opens up, boom. We automatically break this gap down that happened in price. We break above that, we're pulling back. Right? Pulling back to what? Fair value gaps. We continue at least 30 times to respect this fair value gap, bro. That is telling me, all right, man, so much orders are getting filled. We're bullish. What's the hourly looking like on that? We're closing above. You know what I mean? What's the 15-minute looking like? We broke structure. We closed above. We're wicking. We pulled back to a 15-minute fair value gap. Then, like, let's see on the 1 minute. What I would have taken it from the 1 minute from, like, a confirmation back to the upside. So see how we were chopping? And you guys know that this was in a 5-minute fair value gap, right? You guys know that this chop was pulling back to a 5-minute. Am I right? You guys remember that, right? Just want to make sure. So you know that this box right here is a 5-minute fair value gap. See? So I'll go to the 1 minute in a situation like this. And I'll strictly see if, oh my god, I'm about to beat the shit out of my monitor, dog. This shit, like, why do I go to different time frames and it switches me to a random spot in fucking Europe on the fucking screen? Like, keep me on one spot, dog. Fuck, this shit sucks. I'm about to go to Thinkorswim. So, you see this resistance, and this is typically what I would have taken. So, I'm looking at this resistance right here. So, realistically, you would have looked at it, let's say, let's go in replay mode, like right here. So right here, like on the 5-minute, you would have saw, okay, we're like, bro, we are steady trending on this, bro. We're bullish. We closed above a gap. We're pulling back to that gap, filling more orders. Support turns into resistance. Boom. 1 minute. Okay, what are we doing? We're creating resistance, right? Right here, we're just creating resistance. What's the 3-minute doing? Creating resistance. So, for me to take this trade, because I don't want to just take this. You know what I mean? I don't want to just take this and then it fucking flop on me, right? What we want to do is we want to wait for a break of this resistance on the 1 minute or even like a 3-minute closure. So let's see. Let's wait for that 3-minute closure and see what happens. Okay. Shrek dicks to the upside, green candles. Oh, we're wicking, still resistance. Boom, closure. 3-minute closure. Did we close on the 5-minute? Boom. Closed on the 5-minute. Now I'm going to the 1 minute. Perfect, dog. Waiting for a pullback to this fair value gap right here. Well, you know we broke the resistance. Now, what happens when you break resistance? It retests to turn into what? Do you guys know? When you break a resistance line, what does it turn into? Exactly, D-stocks. Support. Now this should support. Let's look at the 9 and the 21 EMAs. I don't know why they're not on my screen. Shit's kind of weird. Give me a sec. Let's look how the 9 and the 21 look. Why did this shit disappear? That shit's kind of gay. Okay, bang. Look at this shit. Pull back to what? EMAs are crossing. We're breaking above resistance. Pull back to the EMAs. Okay, we're taking calls off of this. Good reaction. Where? Stop loss maybe fucking at these lows or some shit. Where would that be? That would be below this, man. If we just want to keep on consolidating, it is what it fucking is, right? You can't do nothing about it. You're trying to get the best entry possible. And that's a perfect entry. Or you can wait for even a lower fair value gap down here. But me personally, if I saw a good reaction off of this, let's see. That's an upside candle. I'm taking that. Let's see. Would we get stopped out? Nope. And what happens? Fucking chopping like a motherfucker, but what happens? Would you have made money? Or were you pissing your pants and throwing your tampon out when it came this low? Because me personally, I'm not exiting right there. There's no reason. The fuck you exiting for? You scared? If your ass is scared, go work a job. You got no bread in your account. That's why. Fuck you scared for? You would have made bread. Easy. Or you could have waited for the pullback to this. Like, whatever works best for you. Me personally, I like to wait for the 1 minute pullbacks because it's sometimes a very early entry. Why is the stop loss exactly there? That's not exactly where I would have put it. I was just given an example of where I would have entered. I didn't even set take profits or nothing. I was just giving examples. I don't know if my stop loss would have been here. Maybe it would have been down here. Maybe that's too much. Maybe it would have been right here, and maybe I would have got stopped out. You never know. But if you get stopped out, okay, no problem. Then this is what you do. You do boom. Okay. Get stopped out, break a structure back to the upside, retest. Okay, I think I'm still bullish. I'm re-entering. Okay, stop loss right here. Bam. There you go. It's not bad to re-enter, dog. If your bias is still bullish, if your direction is still up and you get stopped out, it's not a problem. Oh, well, I can't retire. Or not retire. I can't I have no buying power. Why did I say retire? That was like literally not the right word. I can't use any more buying power because I full ported. Well, guess what? Why the fuck did you full port? You know what I mean? Motherfuckers be like, bro, like I have no more buying power left. Ugly ass. Cause your ass is using your whole account on one fucking trade. The fuck are you doing? Shit makes neggy sense. Right? Tell me I'm wrong. Guys, how many of you have a $500 account to a $1,000 account and you use a good majority of that the whole entire day? If I'm wrong, I'm Asian and 6'7". Like, man, and that doesn't correlate with me, so I know I'm not wrong. You feel me? Stop full porting your account, dog. It's not going to get you anywhere. It's just going to continue to fucking blow your money to where you have to continue to add more, and it's going to make you so emotional. Like, come on. How many times a week should you be back testing? 5 to 7 days a week, 3 hours a day. Why not? If someone says that's too much, they're fried. There's never too much, bro. There's never too much of learning. There should be no like specific days you should be doing it. You should do it whenever you find time and whenever you feel like you have time, which make time to backtest and to learn. You should want to learn. You shouldn't even ask someone like, "Yo, how many times should I learn a day?" Dog, as much as you can. Not saying it like that to you, Aiden. I'm talking to everybody. Like, yo, as many fucking times. You got me outside enjoying the morning breeze, watching your stream taping. Bro, that's me every day, dog. But yo, you guys see this, right? Simple. We wouldn't have got stopped out, for one. For two, our bias was bullish. For three, the shit's choppy like a motherfucker. Usually, like I said, in good trading conditions, market is not acting like this. The market doesn't have periods of times where it's fucking sideways for 30 minutes. You know what I mean? Usually the shit wants to go like this. Lower highs, like, bro, look at this price action, dog. Oh my goodness, man. Our strategy is so fucking good. Especially with the EMAs, bro. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. Look at this, man. Let's just give an example. Bro. Oh my god. This app sucks. Or this trading shit sucks. I'm dead ass. What EMA do you use? I use the Jonnyoptions EMA. Straight up Johnny O EMA. Let's give an example. Like, write down, like, let's just say, man, over here even, bro. This is straight uptrend, dog. Straight uptrend. Let's see the day going into us. Look at the 1 hour. Double B, the 9 and the 21. I fuck around too much, bro. I gotta stop. Did you ever need to change your strat because the market changed? No, not at all. There's no reason why you should change your strategy. If the market's changing and not giving you good setups, what should you do? Go to Indeed.com and stop trading so much. Wait for the market conditions to be good. Only take A+ setups. If you actually do what your plan says, which says stick to your plan, 1 to 2 trades a day, don't full port, stick to your stop loss. You know what I mean? If you stick to your plan, which is the first thing you should be focusing on, you would never have to worry about changing a strategy. You should never, ever, ever change a strategy unless it's proven to not work. If you have a proven strategy, like that's like someone telling me, Johnny, I used your strategy, but it was hard and I stopped, bro. Like, it doesn't work for me. Okay, probably because you didn't use it long enough. Probably because you didn't stick to your plan. Probably because you didn't learn enough. You thought you were going to learn it in a month. You know what I mean? Simple. So, let's just look at this day. 4-hour time frame. What are we? We're bullish, right? The 4 hours making higher highs, we're bullish on this. If the 4 hours bullish, I'm bullish. 1 hour, oh my God, you see this big ass black dick to the downside, you're thinking we're bearish. Negative. We are not bearish. What are we coming into, bruh? Straight up, 1 hour fair value. Filled the whole John. Okay. Pre-market, what do we do? Minky. Right here, easy. Sweep. So the first thing, like I always talk about, we look for the trend. We look for our bias. What's the 4 hour? Bullish. 4 hour gap. What's the 1 hour? Bullish still. Sweeping lows out. When you see lows getting swept, that means orders get filled to push to the opposite direction. Now, if we're coming down, what is the opposite direction? Fucking up. So if we're coming down, sweeping liquidity out, fill orders to go up. Simple. So we sweep these lows out. Market opens. We're looking like, bro, I could have called this trade out. Dog! Look how easy this is when we're trending. Sweeping on the hourly. Okay, we're waiting until 10. We're making highs, we're lows, we're still consolidating. You know what I mean? Boom. Break structure. It's 9:45. We're breaking structure right here. Because this high to this low, so we made a higher high. We're no longer just consolidating. We're no longer in this downtrend. We're no longer creating what? Resistance. We broke above the resistance. Am I right or am I right? You feel me? So we're right here. We broke above the resistance. The 1 hour looks very good. It's sweeping out lows. So when you see the 5 minute make a sweep and then a high, low, and then a boom, break of structure, which is our third confluence, you're looking for the fair value gap. Simple. Simple, dog. Okay, let's take these off because it looks like a fucking kid drew on the screen. Okay, where do we see a fair value? Right here. I wish I could continue to go back. Oh, I can select bar, right? Yes, sir. Give me that. Perfect. Okay. We broke structure, right? Wait. Boom. Broke structure. Oh. Oh my God. Candle down. I'm so scared. Oh, we'll be scared. Because guess what? We broke structure. The 1 hour looks bullish. We're still at lows where the liquidity is being swept. I feel like we could see a big move. Okay. We have a 5 minute fair value gap. Let's see a good reaction off of this. We can enter if we see a good reaction. 5 minute fair value gap. Let's go on the 1 minute. Bro, I can't go on the 1 minute. Data point unavailable. That's kind of good. Or the 3 minute. All right, we'll just look at the 5 minute. See a good reaction, I guess, because this dog shit fucking trading view. All right. Good reaction. Close. All right, close. Entering somewhere along the lines around here. Stop loss near these lows. Okay. Minky. What the fuck? I predicted that shit, dog. This shit's easy. That's 100% trade. You put a Racky in there, you're taking your bitch to the Dior store. You feel me? Like, bro, by pressing buttons and studying. Oh my God, and you're still not taking this trading serious, man. You're still wanking your turkey in the morning, fucking drinking alcohol on the weekends, smoking, hanging out with dumbass friends. Like, dog. Oh shit, we just broke structure to the downside. I bet you I can catch a downside move right here. What's this looking like? 4 hour time frame. Oh, this is all time highs. All right, what's the 1 hour looking like? Ooh, sweeping of a highs. Let's see. Let's see if we can catch a little retracement guy. Sweeps of these highs, 15-minute highs, getting taken out. Let's go to the 5 minute. Wait, this could potentially just be a 15-minute retracement. We don't know. You don't want to fight the trend, but if we get a good reaction, let's see. Okay, 5 minute fair value gap. We could have entered around here. Trend's up, so probably fucking... Yeah, trend's up. So it continued to go up. That's why you don't fight trends and you don't want to get faked out. But see, that's why you have to go to the other time frames. Have to. Because right here, let's give an example. Right here, you're looking at this and you're like, holy fuck, we just had a wiener to the downside, bro. We have to be short. We gotta go to the downside. Bro, sellers are stepping in like crazy. That's what you would have thought just looking at the 5-minute. But if your ass goes right here, oh shit, what is this? We broke highs. Broke highs right here. Okay. What are we doing? 15-minute fair value gap. Respected. What's the 1 hour doing? Oh, what happens when this resistance gets broken? Do you guys know what this is right here? This line right here where price has not been able to get above. You see how, oh, rejection, 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 rejection. You guys know what happens when rejection gets fucking broken? It will turn into support. Those orders flip-flop, bro. So, when you see that, oh, we broke above. Okay, go to the 15-minute. Look at that shit. That line is perfect, bro. Oh my god. Look at that shit. Perfect retests. Okay. Take a trade off of the 15-minute. Or we can even go on the 5-minute. We're looking at this 5-minute fair value gap. All right, let's see a good reaction off of that. Fucking resistance line gets perfectly. All right. Boom. Perfect close. I'm taking that. There's your Dior purse, bro, for your John. Like, oh my god, man. You feel me? Come on, dog. This shit's so easy. You just gotta focus. You just gotta focus. That's a trade. I just called that out. Like, I'm not giving you fake confluences. I'm telling you this because this is what happens, bro. Look at this high get broken. It retests to a fucking T on the 5-minute. To a T. Once you see the, oh, wick, take that, dog. You feel me? What you're taking this high confluence trade to potentially make this to lose this. Okay, let's say if it fucking hits your stop loss. What does that mean? That means that it wanted to break. What are you gonna cry? You're probably crying because you full ported. You're probably crying because you're not financially stable in life, or you're way too overconfident, or you took like 13 trades and you're down so much bread. This all correlates and comes back to the bread. You're so addicted to the money, bro, because you see all of these furus online telling you how they made 80K, and what your ass is doing is you're comparing yourself to them. Basically thinking, well, if he can make 80K, I can. Guess what, bro? You're on your own path. You're in your own grind. You're in your own fucking journey. So if you're going to compare yourself to another man that has a fucking dick, you're gay. Stop comparing. There's no reason to compare. Straight up. Not even trying to sound ignorant. Why are you comparing yourself to another dude? That's weird as hell. If anything, you should try to do better than him. You should try to say, damn, well, if that motherfucker made 80K, I'm about to work so hard these next 5 years so I can make 200K. If you have that fucking mindset, bro, it's raps. It's rapskis. It's raps, bro. It's chicken Caesar raps. We're going to the moon, bro. But if you're having the comparison to the point where, man, he made 80K. Well, fuck it. I want it fast, bro. I'm about to full port and fucking blow my funded account so I can make 80K in a month, bro. You're retarded, dog. How many times are you going to have setbacks? How many times are you going to just fucking set yourself back and continue to make these same mistakes, dog? The same mistakes. Bro, you made this mistake 90 times in the past. Shouldn't you know by now that if I do this again, these same outcomes are gonna come out? Remember, I said this in the video yesterday. If you listened, man. What you input into your life has an equal and an opposite reaction. So if you keep inputting the same habits, which habits I'm talking about, not sticking to your stop loss, not sticking to your plan, not sticking to your rules, taking 4 trades a day, looking at time frames that you shouldn't be looking at, blowing accounts. If you keep doing all these things, yo, you're just going to be sent back to the fucking beginning. Right back here. All of these problems are just going to boop, set you back, set you back, set you back, set you back, set you back. Okay. But let's say you create good habits. Oh, you did good that time. You actually stuck to your stop loss. Oh, 20 days later, you're still sticking to your stop loss. 20 days later, you're still sticking to your stop loss. 20 days later, you're still sticking to your stop loss. Where do you think that's going to bring you? Slowly doing better, the trend's going to go up, and you're going to slowly do fucking great, dog. It's that simple, bro. Come on. Lock the fuck in. Let's run this shit up this year, dog. I do this shit for free. Who does it like me? Stop playing with me, bruh. I'm a 19-year-old kid fucking chasing my dreams, and I'm gonna reach them shits. No matter who has an opinion about me, they can get on their knees and suck my shit. I don't give a fuck how that sounds. Dead ass. If you disagree with me, if you don't like how I speak, if you think that if I'm too ignorant, or if I'm too serious, or if I'm, guess what? Straight up, boss energy. I love that. Live this life like you're the fucking superhero of this game, right? Live this life like a game, live this life like a fucking movie, and you're the superhero doing whatever the fuck you want when you want, trying to save everybody in this world and trying to fucking be the best of the best, bro. Be your own superhero, bro. Work so damn hard. This strategy shit can become so damn easy when you just try, when you apply yourself. You know why you're probably not doing so good with the strategy? Either because you're lacking confidence. Now, remember what we went in that video yesterday. Why are you lacking confidence? Did you even try to see what the problem is that is causing you to lack confidence? Maybe you're not being social in person. Maybe you're not trying to work harder on your body. Maybe you're not really happy on how your body looks. Maybe, you know what I mean? You're not being social, so you don't know how to talk. You sound like a fucking tard when you go up to people and you're like stuttering your ass off. You don't know how to talk to girls because you're not being social. Like, did you even figure out the problem? Always see the problem in everything, and if you don't have awareness, you will never be able to see how you can fix things. Now, the people that live normal lives and the people that stay comfortable, when they have problems, they're okay with them and they just last with their problems. And then it slowly eats them up as life goes on, and then their life gets harder and harder. Us, while we're young, we figure out our problems. We go fucking crazy on our problems, figure out all of our solutions, and we continue to level the fuck up like this is a game. And by the time we are 30 to 40 to 50 years old when we have a kid, we're so leveled the fuck up that we don't have to worry too much. Straight up. Can't be normal. Exactly, Mo. I'm scared of being normal. I am frightened. I'm dead ass frightened. I know this sounds so damn ignorant, and of course I still have fucking conversations with everybody, man. I treat everybody the same. But when I have conversations with close-minded people, it dead ass irks me. Like, I'll be talking about something, like, I can't even talk about everything that I think of in front of normal people. I'll be talking about, bro, like, I will have a Corvette by 21 to, like, one of, like, maybe a hometown friend or just a random person in the sauna at the gym. And they'll be like, yeah, maybe one day you'll get that fucking Corvette, bro. That would be pretty sick. Like, dude, like, I'm working this job right now. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if you could do that. 21's kind of hard, but, like, shut the fuck up. I hate that mindset. Fucking stupid motherfuckers. Goofy ass closed minded mindsets. Now, I will never pick on someone in real life. I'll never judge someone in real life for not believing in themselves. I don't give a fuck what you believe. I give a fuck what I believe. Simple. Aiden, same thing with my little brother. You can't do nothing about it. Let him fucking be. Stop wasting your time, energy, and attention on someone that doesn't want them for themselves. You can lead a horse to water. You can't make it fucking drink it. They'll have a hard time with life. Let them go. My little brother's the same way. I try to help him out. Kid don't listen. I let him do what he wants to do. He'll figure it out. He'll come running back to me. Until he listens, he's fucking beat. Be a sponge to everything. I like your mindset, bro. Thank you, man. I try my best. I just speak the truth. I be myself, and I just spit facts, bro. And if you don't like these facts, you can suck my dick and leave this shit right now. Straight up. I keep it so fucking real. I'm not on no influencer shit. I don't give a fuck about being famous or making money from fucking Instagram or none of that bullshit or Discord, bro. Like, that's why it's been free. Will I make money from Discord? 1000%. If you pay for it, you're going to make a shit ton of money. If you don't, I don't give a fuck. It's not like I'm going to be fiending for fucking people to buy my shit. I don't care if you buy it. I don't. I don't even sell anything but a mentorship. That's all. Like, dude, I do literally all this for free. Like, Do you know how much I could charge for something like this? For example, do you know how much people in this industry charge for stuff like this? Hundreds and hundreds a month, dog. So, I'm not just trying to say, like, yo, be grateful for the shit. I'm trying to say, take advantage of me. Not in a weird way, in a good way, yo. Like, dude, write this shit down. Don't just listen to this shit. Like, whatever you learned from today, write it down. If you're just, how can I say, sitting here with your phone in your hand, you're just listening, this is just another motivational time, right? This is just another one of those motivational videos. And guess what? This isn't going to do shit. None of this information will do shit if you don't actually take action. I posted this on my story. Action leads to habits, habits lead to discipline, and then discipline will lead you to that fucking lifestyle that you want. So just by listening to motivation and being motivated, yo, dude, you're beat. Like, my girlfriend slept over my house last night. I woke up at 6 a.m. She left. I didn't feel like getting out of bed. I was trying to lay there with her. I was trying to get the fucking, you know what I mean? Like, I should not say that on YouTube, but like, I'm trying to fucking chill in my bed. Hell no, I got the fuck up. I went to the gym at 7 a.m. this morning. You feel me? I went right to the gym. I was not motivated to go to the gym this morning. I wasn't like, let's go. I get to go to the gym. You think I'm like that every day? Sometimes I'm like, fuck, bro. I do not want to go to the gym. This shit is ass. Like, my head hurts. Like, bro, I don't give a fuck. I still go because I'm disciplined. I don't give a fuck what I want. I don't give a fuck if I'm happy. Happiness is just a fucking another emotion. You can't chase happiness. Happiness is literally just another emotion that you get from from doing stuff in your life. So, are you going to do crazy fun things that could potentially make you happy, or are you going to live a normal ass life that's going to make you sad for the rest of your life? You pick, you choose. You live the life that you choose, brother. It's up to you. Nobody's going to fucking do any of this for you. So, every time you catch yourself being lazy or being unmotivated, you should tell yourself, I don't give a fuck that I'm unmotivated. I'm going to do what I have to do because I'm not a pussy. It's that simple. It is that simple. Love you too, Octavia. Let's run it up, dog. Like, it's that simple. Bro, motivation isn't shit. You have to do the things that you don't want to do, bro. It's that simple, man. Like, what do you not understand, man? You have to do the things that you don't want to do. I'm so bored. What am I drawing? Bro, it's that simple. I'm screen recording this and taking notes. There's no reason to screen record, brother. I've recorded this whole entire thing, 40 minutes so far. I'm posting this on YouTube exactly as soon as I'm done this. Posting straight to YouTube. No thumbnail, no edits. I don't give a fuck. I fucking stop recording it and I post it in 3 seconds every time I'm done. I don't do these fancy fucking, guys, this is how we're going to make $30,000 in 1 second. You can, oh my God, I hate that content. That shit makes me cringe, bro. Oh my God, dude. I hope I never do that. If I do, you guys got to tell me to not do it. I can't do it, bro. That shit just makes me cringe, dog. I just like being authentic and just, I don't know. That goofy ass content. That shit's fake as shit. Sir D stocks. But yo, like, let's just go through another trade. Like, look at Apple. Apple has been bullish the past what? 3 days. Okay, let's replay this hoe. So down here we were bearish, but now I'm going to show you guys a potential reversal. So the 4 hour, let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour broke structure, am I right? Did the 4 hour break structure right here? Is this how you backtest? Yeah, exactly. I literally just go and just fucking replay them, bro. I don't have to backtest too much. I know my strategy. I don't got to backtest because I did this shit from 6 a.m. to fucking 2 a.m. in the morning for 2 years straight the past 2 years. That's why I don't do it as much. Because I've done this shit. I've had pounding headaches by how much I look at the screen. Why do you think I have these blue light glasses? I gotta hop off here in 10 minutes. I got a haircut. The trading strategy that makes you... Yeah, exactly, Mo. That shit's goofy. Let's say your strat starts working better if you enter with a fair value gap and break a structure. Would you only switch? Yes, I only enter fair value gaps if it breaks structure. I'm not just entering random fair value gaps. I can show you 30 fair value gaps on the screen that are there, and not there's like 30 of them. How are you going to know which one to use? By looking at the bias to see where trend is going to go, by looking at levels to see where price could potentially reverse. And I'm going to show you a reversal right here. So we're looking at the 4-hour right now. What is this? 2 down candles, accumulation candles to this huge move up. What is this called? This is called an order block right here. Do I know who Morgan Trades is? Yes. This is an order block right here. This down candle collected all the orders, filled the orders to boom, make this big move up. Prices, okay, price broke structure. Like, let's look at the daily real quick. All right, the daily's pulling back to like this mini, like, I could say like gap where there's no candles. We're taking out a low right here. 4-hour. There's like, we broke structure, but there's an order block. That's the only thing. Now, are we just taking this strictly off of an order block? No. We're going to wait for that 5-minute tap, or the 5-minute break of structure. Excuse me. So we're going to wait for market to open. If it will ever open. Fuck, bro. I already used my fingers too much this weekend, dog. For this week. Bro, when is it going to open? There we go. All right. So we'll go on the 15-minute. So, let's see how this 15-minute closes. Okay. Boom. What did we do? 15-minute fair value gap. Closed above it. You guys see that, right? Don't worry about it, double. 15-minute fair value gap. Closed above. 5-minute time frame. Okay, we're sweeping highs out. We're not taking anything yet. It's not 10 o'clock. It's about to be 10. You know that the 1 hour is in what? We didn't even look at the 1 hour. Let me show you, actually. Pre-market, what are we doing? Pre-market, sweeping out all these lows. Also, 4-hour time frame, potential reversal right here because of this order block. Okay, let's look at the 5-minute time frame. We're waiting until 10. We did not see a break of structure to the upside. We're waiting. We're waiting. No break of structure. No break of structure. Really yet? I don't like that. That's resistance. I want to see an impulse move. Minky. Straight break of structure to the upside. Breaking this resistance, breaking the recent highs. Now I'm looking for a pullback. Straight up. Any pullback, really. That's a good probable setup to the EMAs, anywhere around here. Pullback, okay. Okay, so I don't like to enter at highs, so I would be looking at the 5-minute time frame. Okay, easy. 5-minute fair value gap, support turns into resistance. Let's see a good reaction out of that. We get a good reaction. Enter. Stop loss at low. Well, not that far, but stop loss. Bang. Okay, we determine our bias. You know the 1 hour is doing that. You know we're sweeping. You know we broke the resistance. Okay, let's check. Bro, tell me that this isn't predictable, dog. Would you have gotten stopped out yet? No, I would have been sitting here the whole fucking time. Why am I on the 1 minute doing this? And there is your Lamborghini. You know what I mean? There you go. It's that simple. Do you see this trade? Would you have gotten stopped out? Or are you getting scared when price keeps coming down to your stop loss? Because me, I'm not getting scared. I know my bias. I'm just fucking waiting. You know what I mean? You're holding that shit. And if you were to held that, you would be holding a fucking Rolex in your hand, dog. Simple. It's simple. I can't believe there's only 60 people in here. I got 200 motherfuckers in here on the live trading days. That shows a lot. That shows a lot for this YouTube video. Look at y'all boys. I'm recording this right now. Spam W's in the chat if you're fucking in here. This isn't even really being recorded for Instagram. This is for the YouTube video. You'll see your name. You'll look back on this and realize I was fucking grinding. There's only 60 people in here. Bro, I have 200 motherfuckers every single morning. There is literally not even half of that. That shows you a lot, that people only do this for quick money. So, let's see them people in a year from now, and let's see you guys. The difference between you and them is the mindset and the action taken. Because remember, it all starts with action. You're taking action today sitting on here. Action will lead to good habits. Your good habits will be what? Staying on the Discord, trading every day. Now, good habits lead to discipline. The good habits were you staying on Discord and trading, and then that will lead to creating discipline from trading so much. Then, boom, discipline leads to fucking lifestyle. There you go. There's that life that you've been wanting. You created your reality. Boom, you live the life that you want to live forever and ever and ever because you created a high end and a high value fucking skill that can make you millions. Simple. I'm ending the YouTube video off here. Peace out if you fucking learned something. Comment something right now if you watch the end of this. Comment something on this YouTube video, dog. Comment the goat emoji or W's emoji, man. We're fucking winning and we're learning all 2024, 2025, man.